Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today now we are discussing about financially very important rule, 50-30-20 rule. So every month we are getting some amount of income. So you have to diversify that money to 50-30-20. 50 percentage for your need, 30 percentage for your wants, 20 percentage for your savings. So monthly 50 percentage of amount of money you have to spend for your necessary things. For example, rent paying, EB bill, water bill, and Wi-Fi, data recharges, and food, medical expenses. That's the things. It is very important for living our life. So that's the thing. You have to spend your monthly 50 percentage of your money, and 30 percentage of money spent for want, like travel outside, some tour, and entertainment, cinema, and buying new mobiles, or like your want things. You have to spend 30 percentage of your monthly incomes, and 20 percentage of money you should savings, um, like for RD, FD, bond, mutual fund, and buying some stocks and gold. So in this methods you have to saving your 20 percentage of monthly incomes. So for example, I will give some example, then you can get some easily understood. Monthly, if you're getting 30,000 means you should spend your 15,000 of money, 50 percentage of money, that is for 15,000 is for you spend for your need things, and 9,000 you have to 30 percentage, it is 9,000 is means 30 percentage you should spend your want things, and 20 percentage it's for 6,000 you should save. Everybody thinking 20,000 it is for 20 percentage, 6,000 it is for very easy, I could save it is very easily, it could not create more money, most of the peoples are thinking. But you should save 6,000 rupees for very disciplinedly. If you disciplinedly savings the 10,000 6,000 rupees for next 10 years, or like you will get 12 percentage of interest. You should save for 7 lakh 20,000 rupees. Your investing amount is 7 lakh 20,000 rupees, and estimated returns for 6 lakh 74,000. So totally you will get 13,094, 13 lakh 94,000 rupees. For 12 percentage of return you will get 13 lakh 94,000 rupees. So if you invested and get 10 percentage of interest for next 10 years, your invested amount is for 7 lakh 20,000, and estimated returns for 5 lakh 19,000. So total you will gain the amount for 12 lakh 39,000. So it will create, it's a compounding effect, it will create like this. So 12 percentage it's create for nearly 14 lakh, and 10 percentage of interest it is creating for nearly 13 lakh. So you should save first monthly income. Once you get, you should save your 20 percentage of income, then you have to spend for your need and want things. It is very important things. Most of the people is not spending savings first. So every month you are getting some amount, you should invest yourself, it is very important. So once you saving, once you are saved first things, it will create some compound effect, after it will give some more extraordinary research. So you should follow these rules, 50-30-20 in financially, you will create good wealth in. So thank you.